I think last year I started I ran my first 100 meter here, and this time I'm starting my season here. So I'm really looking forward to it. Last year I had a fantastic time. The energy and the atmosphere was phenomenal. So now that there's no COVID, I'm sure everybody will be out in their numbers, and we're definitely going to be having a good time. Honestly, I'm looking forward to just competing well. I've not been not run since September last year, and it's a different year, so you kind of want to see where you're at, as opposed to last year when I ran a 200 in Kingston before I came here. This time I didn't run, anything, so this is me just coming, seeing where I'm at and having a good time and execute, and I'm sure it will be fantastic.
I feel good. This my last competition in last year in June, and then I have 5 months rehab time, and December start to training, and Nairobi is my first competitions in the year.